Good morning, children. Jai Hind. Today we will do work in English practice book. So open page number 33. First of all, write day and date on the top of this page. Now let's read the heading. Arrange the words in order to make a meaningful sentence. Children, you know that a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. So see children, here some words are given in a jumbled way. So let's rearrange the jumbled words and make a meaningful sentence. Let's read the first one. Small is chick the. So children, arrange the words in a correct order and make a meaningful sentence. So the correct answer is the chick is small. Very good. Put a full stop over here. Now let's read the next one. Go school I at 8 o'clock. Now let's rearrange the jumbled words and make a correct sentence. I go to school, yes, at 8 o'clock. Very good. I go to school at 8 o'clock. Very good, children. Now let's read the next one. Rice full is the sack of. Yes, children, you know the right answer. So tell me, what is the right answer? Yes, the sack is full of rice. Very good. Now let's read the next heading. Make 6 new words from the word given below. First one is done for you. See children, one word policeman is given over here and you have to make many words with this word. See children, one is done for you. Now let's make the new word. Yes, try to find out and make a new word. Yes children, N-A-M-E, name. Very good. Write it here. N-A-M-E, name. Very good. Try to find out another one. Yes children, L-I-C-E, lice. Very good. L-I-C-E, lice. Yes children, find out the next one. Yes. L-I-N-E, line. Very good. P-E-O-N, peon. Very good. Yes children, find more word. Yes. Yes children, N-I-C-E, nice. Very good. Children, you can write many words with this word like M-O-P, mop, I-C-E, ice, P-E-N, pen, M-A-I-L, mail, M-I-N-E, mine, P-O-L-E, pole. So you can write words of your choice. So try to find out more words with this word. Thank you children.